From Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. They came all the way down here from Michigan, and we met them in Fort Worth, Texas, to give them a big Bucks howdy. Speaking of Texas, ladies and gentlemen, McCarter allowing us to stay at his house in Lampasas, Texas. The home of the rattlesnake. Here's for all you misplaced Texans right here above us. Come out window and face to the south. I'm almost halfway to heaven. Though the snow is falling, still I can't see the fields of pine are still calling me. Just my window, face to the south. And though I'm far from the spawning, my face is never frowned. No down in the mountains, my window faces the south. On the upright bass fiddle guitar, he went all wailing for you guys tonight. Give him a hand on account of his snappy dress. The only man that I've ever spent the night in jail with 2 times, ladies and gentlemen. I played music with him for 22 years. He is the closest thing I got to a brother from Austin, Texas, USA. Give a big hand to the one and only Tonk. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Ray Charles. Ray Charles is drummer. Taught this man how to play drums. We call him the California Condor on account of his wingspan so big, ladies and gentlemen. He's played with the world famous Billy Bacon and the Forbidden Pigs, toured all over Europe. The Neil Peart of Honky Tonk music, ladies and gentlemen, from Santa Fe, New Mexico. The only man in this band that can speak fluent Spanish. Give a big hand to the legendary Justin G. Jones. Charlie Daniels, the fill-in man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, from Nashville, Tennessee, give a big hand to your new best friend in life, Smiling